Good morning, grade 7 students. This is your teacher, Miss Rita. I miss you all so much and I hope you are all doing well. Today we will continue explaining Lesson 8 Solutions, so please open your books to page 112. Today we will learn solid and gas solutions, aqueous and non-aqueous solutions, and miscible and immiscible liquids. A solid solution is a homogeneous mixture in which the solvent is a solid and the solute is also a solid. A solid solution can be made of different metals. When it's a solution of metals, we can call it an alloy. One example of an alloy is the gold that we buy that all of our jewelry is made of. This gold, it's a solid solution of gold, copper, and silver. So three metals form this alloy. The gold is the solvent, and the copper and silver are the solutes. A gas solution, it's a homogeneous mixture, where the solvent is a gas and the solute is also a gas. We can call gas solutions gas mixtures. One example of a gas solution is the air that we breathe. It's made from nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases, where the nitrogen is the solvent and the oxygen and other gases are the solutes. This diagram shows you a summary of all the solutions that we learned till now, knowing that a solution is made up of solvent and solute. We have three types of solutions: solid solutions, liquid solutions, and gas mixtures. The liquid solution can be of three types depending on the state of the solute. So it can be a liquid solid, a liquid liquid, or a liquid gas, knowing that in all of these solutions, the liquid is always the solvent. Now open your books to page 117 so we can explain together aqueous solutions. So these are solutions in which the solvent is water. So whatever solution you have, if the solvent is water, then you can call it an aqueous solution. Some examples are salty water, tea, coffee, soft drinks, etc. We have many examples. A non-aqueous solution, it's a liquid solution in which the solvent is not water. So it's the opposite of the aqueous solution. An example is iodine and alcohol, and you can see it in the picture in front of you. Now please open your books to page 119 so we can explain miscible and immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids, they mix together to form a homogeneous mixture. For example, acetone and water, vinegar and alcohol, nail polish and acetone. All of these, when we mix them together, we get a homogeneous mixture, and we can call it a solution. Immiscible liquids are the opposite of miscible liquids. When we put them together, they do not mix and they form a heterogeneous mixture. Some examples are nail polish and water, and you can see it in the picture on the right, oil and water, and paint and water. So when we mix them together, they do not form a homogeneous mixture. They form a heterogeneous one. Now I need you please to prepare exercises 1 and 2 as homework for next time. In exercise 1, you have to fill in the following table with the state of the solvent. So for solid solutions, you have to say if the solvent is solid, liquid, or gas. For the liquid solutions, you have to do the same, and also for the gas solutions. In exercise 2, for each solution you have to determine what the solvent is, what the solute is, and if the solution is aqueous or non-aqueous. For example, in the first one, sugary water, the solvent is water, the solute is sugar, and since the solvent is water, it means that it's an aqueous solution.